If you're someone who's constantly battling joint or back pain, you know how debilitating it can be. Whether it's that nagging ache in your lower back or the stiffness in your knees that makes even the simplest tasks feel like a challenge, the pain can truly impact your daily life. But what if I told you there's a simple 20-second rub ritual that could relieve 90% of your pain and keep it at bay for years? Yes, you heard that right. A 20-second ritual you can perform at home with nothing more than your own hands could provide the kind of relief you've been longing for. Imagine waking up without that constant discomfort, being able to enjoy your day without thinking about your pain. Intrigued? Stick around, because I'm going to share more about this simple technique and how you can start using it today. But before we dive into the details, let's talk about why joint and back pain can be so frustrating. It doesn't just limit your ability to move freely. It can steal your sleep, drain your energy, and keep you from enjoying the activities you love. Worse yet, the traditional solutions, whether it's endless pills, invasive surgeries, or temporary fixes, often fall short. But here's the exciting part. This 20-second rub ritual, which you can do right at home, could change everything. And the best part? It's natural, simple, and doesn't require any expensive equipment or treatments. Want to know how it works? Well, I'll tell you this much. It's based on ancient techniques combined with modern understanding of how the body responds to touch. By stimulating specific pressure points, this rub ritual helps your body release tension and relieve pain almost instantly. For some, it's worked like magic, and they've experienced lasting relief for years after just a few sessions. I know it sounds almost too good to be true, right? But here's the thing. Thousands of people have already experienced the life-changing benefits of this method. People who've been dealing with chronic pain for years are now moving freely, sleeping better, and finally living life on their terms again. Think about it. In just 20 seconds, you could start experiencing relief from years of pain. Imagine being able to go for a walk, enjoy time with your family, or simply sit comfortably without that constant ache. What would that mean for you? If you're tired of the endless cycle of pain and frustration, this could be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. The 20-second rub ritual is easy, fast, and best of all, it works. So why not give it a try? Click the link below, watch the short video, and see for yourself how this 20-second rub ritual can transform your life. Trust me, you won't regret it.